everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and happy first day of February. To celebrate the start of a new month, I wanted to do a quick video to show you just how easy it is to plant garlic. But today, I am specifically planting elephant garlic. Now, I saw this at Wegmans, my favorite grocery store, and I immediately thought, oh my gosh, I've got to buy it to plant it. And I actually bought all that they had. They only had 3 big bulbs, but on each of these bulbs are a lot of cloves. So I figured this is my opportunity to get started on growing one of my all-time favorite things, because I love using this in cooking, and the more I grow, the more I'll have. Now, of course, you can buy this, from a supplier online, but there's really nothing wrong with planting garlic that you find at the grocery store. In most cases, it's going to be a hardneck variety, just like elephant garlic. That's denoted by, of course, the flower stalk that intersects the individual cloves in the center of the bulb. Basically, for planting garlic, it's really easy. You're just going to separate each of the individual cloves, and you're not going to take the paper off. And then I'm just going to, because these are so large, I'm going to dig a little trench right here along the bed edge where animals, specifically cats, have been doing a lot of digging for moles. And the advantage that garlic offers is that the smelly bulb in the ground will help deter moles who are eating insects and voles who are eating plant roots. This is a really simple strategy using, I think, a very practical edible to sort of conquer a problem that most people face while simultaneously growing something that's delicious to harvest. Now, generally speaking, I usually recommend that you plant garlic earlier, like between Labor Day and Christmas. But I saw this just a few days ago at the grocery store, and I couldn't help myself. So you see, I have not taken the paper off, and here you'll get a pretty good view of what hardneck garlic looks like. It means it's got this neck, or this old flower stalk coming up through the middle. And you can take that base where the roots were, you can take that off. And elephant garlic grows really large. This is, aptly named. I'm going to plant these about 1 inch apart. And like I said, I've just dug a shallow edge here. This is about 6 inches deep. That way they'll be totally covered. You do want to put them root side down, pointy side up. Pretty self-explanatory there. And I just put this one into what feels like a mole or vole tunnel. So I'm going to let that go a little bit deeper. That'll definitely help reduce all of the in-ground mammal activity. Here we have elephant garlic that I've purchased at the grocery store. The planting process is really simple. First of all, you're just going to separate the cloves off of the big bulb. You always want to plant root side down, pointy side up. And you can really see what distinguishes a hardneck variety. It's that flower stalk that intersects the middle of the bulb where all of the cloves are growing around. Planting garlic is easy. You don't need to remove the paper, and it's a fantastic natural animal repellent. I hope you'll consider planting some garlic for yourself. Not only is it a really easy and practical vegetable to include, because of course it deters animals and fresh garlic is delicious in meals, but it's also one of those plants to really think about how far it's had to travel to get to your local grocery store. As of 2012, 90% of the garlic sold in American grocery stores is imported all the way from China. So if you want to make a difference in this world and help reduce the food miles crisis, just grow your own garlic and be sure to use it in the meals that you prepare so that you don't have to buy from the grocery store ever again. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Please give me a like and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe for regular updates from me as I share practical gardening advice from my Zone 7 home foodscape here in Central North Carolina. I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and thanks so much for watching, everybody.